This video will cover conditional formatting, specifically the top-bottom rules. The conditional formatting is found on the home ribbon. I moved mine here. Yours will be located much further to the right. There are times with our data that we want to find the extremes. For example, the bottom percentage of a given set of data. I click Home, Conditional Formatting, Top-Bottom Rules, and maybe I want to find the bottom 10% performers. But with only 19 students, 10% is not really a large enough percentage. I'm going to bump that up to 25%. And the way the default formatting is perfectly fine. I click OK, and now I can see with each one who are my bottom 25% performers. Perhaps another data point, I want to find who performed above or below an average. This time I want to know who performed below the average. I want to change this to a custom formatting. I want the fill to be yellow, and I want the font color to change to black and be bolded, and click OK and OK. And I see it has identified the students who fell below the average for that midterm test. Another way to use the top-bottom rules is to find a top percentage performers. Home, conditional formatting, top-bottom, top percentage. And again, I want to find my top 25% performing students. And I again want to change the formatting. Keep it bold and have the fill be blue. And I see my top percentage of the performing students. With the final grade, rather than the top percentage, I want to find a top quantity of performers. Top-bottom rules, the top, and it starts with a default of the top 10. But again, with a small data set, that's going to highlight too many people. So perhaps the top 5 performers. And again, custom format. I want to fill it with green, and I want the font to be italic. Click OK. And I can see which students are indeed my top 5 performers. And now you can see how to use conditional formatting to identify the extremes, the top or the bottom, within your data.